Razor DXT Drift Trike. It's a three-wheeled bike made for sliding and drifting, not just riding. It has a tough steel frame, slick tires, and wide handlebars for great control. Some people have even added jet engines to it, turning it into a wild machine like something out of an action movie. It's not just about the parts. It's about the thrill you feel when drifting like a movie stunt driver.
The Trigano Sequoia is a modern tent trailer made for comfort and easy camping. It can fit up to 10 people with 2 big double beds, 2 under tents for 2 people each, and an extra annex tent for 2 more. You get about 29 square meters of living space. The main tent sets up in just 5 minutes, and the awning takes about 20 minutes. It has a smart ventilation system to keep the inside comfortable and includes an air awning that pops up without using poles. It's perfect for families or groups who want a quick, stylish, and roomy camping setup.
Kawasaki has just revealed something truly wild, a motorcycle with 4 legs. Yes, you heard that right. This machine looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. It's not your typical 2-wheeled bike. Instead, it walks on 4 mechanical legs, giving it the appearance of some kind of robotic animal. When I first saw it, I couldn't help but imagine myself as a futuristic cyborg centaur, half human, half machine, riding into the future. Honestly, who hasn't dreamed of something like that at least once? This isn't just a crazy idea, it's a real step toward a new kind of vehicle design. Kawasaki's 4-legged motorcycle shows just how far technology has come. It blends robotics.
Atlas ATV is a powerful all-terrain vehicle designed to handle tough environments with ease. It's equipped with a 3LO V6 turbo diesel engine that produces 200 horsepower, ensuring excellent performance on different landscapes. The ATV has high ground clearance and an advanced suspension system, making it perfect for navigating rocky terrains, dense forests, and deep mud. With a length of about 15 feet and a width of 7 feet, it offers plenty of space for up to 6 passengers, making it ideal for both adventurous trips and professional use. Priced at around $120,000, the Atlas ATV combines strength, durability, and flexibility, making it a great choice for those looking for a reliable and powerful vehicle. The Bentley Ultratank is an extraordinary combination of luxury and power, transforming the classic Bentley Continental GT into a military-grade vehicle. Designed by 2 brothers, it blends Bentley's elegance with the strength of an armored tank. Instead of traditional wheels, it uses tank-like tracks, making it capable of handling any terrain, from rugged off-roads to urban streets. Under the hood, it retains the Continental GT's 6.0-liter W12 engine, delivering 626 horsepower for thrilling performance. This powerful machine seats 2 passengers in the lavish comfort you'd expect from Bentley. While its price is kept exclusive, it's expected to be a multi-million-dollar investment due to its unmatched craftsmanship. Whether you're after ultimate luxury, off-road prowess, or simply an awe-inspiring vehicle, the Bentley Ultratank offers a whole new level of automotive innovation. Hyundai Mobis unveiled a futuristic crab walking car at CES 2024, introducing a unique way of driving. Using its advanced e-corner system, the car can move sideways, making it perfect for tight parking spaces and sharp turns. This innovation is designed to improve mobility in crowded urban areas. While pricing hasn't been announced, the technology is expected to appeal to drivers looking for more flexibility on the road. Hyundai is working on challenges like adapting the system to current vehicles and ensuring it performs reliably in different driving conditions. As this technology advances, the crab walking car could revolutionize city driving, providing exceptional control and ease for navigating congested spaces. The Mathihi CityMate High is a unique electric ride that blends the features of a skateboard and a motorcycle. It's designed to be a fun and simple way to travel, whether you're commuting to work or just cruising around town. With two strong electric motors, it can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and travel up to 25 miles on a single charge. Its self-balancing system makes it easy to ride, even for beginners. This eco-friendly vehicle is a great option for anyone looking for a convenient and exciting way to get around, while also reducing their carbon footprint and staying active. The Highboy S2 electric scooter with a seat is an excellent option for daily commutes and weekend rides. It's designed for both comfort and performance, featuring a strong aluminum frame that supports riders up to 220-pounders. The scooter is powered by a 350-watt motor, reaching speeds of up to 19 miles per hour and offering a range of 17 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for city travel. With a dual braking system and 10-inch solid tires, it provides a smooth and safe ride, even on uneven roads. The scooter also features a bright LED display and headlight for clear visibility day or night. Its foldable design makes it easy to store, making it ideal for city living. Combining durability, convenience, and style, the Highboy S2 delivers a reliable ride every time. It's priced at $2,000. The InMotion RS is a high-performance electric scooter made for those who want speed, long range, and a sleek design. Built with durability and precision, it can carry riders up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. With its powerful 8,400-watt motor, it can reach thrilling speeds of up to 68 miles per hour, perfect for adventure enthusiasts. It offers an impressive range of up to 100 miles on a single charge, making it great for long trips or daily commutes. The scooter is built with a strong frame, 11-inch all-terrain tires, and advanced suspension to ensure a smooth ride on any surface. Its hydraulic braking system adds extra safety and control. Starting at €999, the InMotion RS combines cutting-edge technology and performance, setting a new standard in electric scooters. The Moonbike is a groundbreaking electric snow bike that enhances winter adventures with eco-friendly technology and great performance. Designed and made in France, this bike is both lightweight and durable, able to carry riders up to 265 pounds. It's perfect for exploring snowy trails and backcountry areas. Powered by a 3-kilowatt electric motor, it can reach speeds of up to 26 miles per hour, providing a fast and agile experience. Its dual battery system allows for a range of up to 35 miles, even in cold weather, so you can enjoy hours of adventure. Unlike loud snowmobiles, the Moonbike runs quietly, letting you appreciate the serene beauty of nature. Its compact, modular design makes it easy to transport and store. Priced starting at $8,900, the Moonbike is ideal for anyone looking for a fun and eco-conscious way to explore snowy terrain.